Hi guys, it's me. This is a Dango and Tangpolo blind bag box. In the back, common rare, epic, legendary, and crown.
What can they expect?
They can have mini figures and squishy Dango Tangpolo things. And they have like these things in here, but I won't tell it yet because it's a secret. I won't open it. And I made this by paper. I just color it, draw with it, and cut it. So let's go unbox it.
Is it a DIY or did you buy it?
DIY.
Oh, let's do it on yourself.
Let's go open it.
Oh,
I think I will get all of these.
wow.
Okay, let's go. 3,
Okay, pakita mo.
2, 1. Oh my god. I'm so happy.
Pakita mo. Binabas mo.
By the way, I'm from Philippines. I can get it.
Hindi nila makita binabas mo. Oh, yun na. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Nazalo.
Legendary. It's the crown. Epic.
Dami.
There's no more. We got rare. We got common. Epic. Crown. Legendary. Do you want me to unbox it, Dan?
Of course. Go for it.
Okay, I'll just unbox it on the back.
Pakita mo.
I just unboxed it. This one. I unboxed it. I can't get it, so I will unbox it now. Oh my gosh, it's the Dango! Okay, let's go with the rare. The rare disease. Just kidding. Okay, what do we got on rare? Wait. I feel something. It's a little squishy. Oh yeah. Tada. We got these two. These two, the Dango and the Tangpolo Dango. Maybe later of the crown. Let's go later. Okay. This is common. Common set. Oh my gosh. This is uncommon. A common. This is common.
Anong gusto mo ba?
Ito lang. Huwag na po.
Wag na daw ko.
Egg na lang po.
Okay.
Waiting lang po. 3 rice.
Okay, we got a lot of more unboxing time. So let me just tabi.
Set aside.
Yeah, set aside. What's this on another common? What? Oh my gosh, it's a little diary. A little diary. Do you see it? At the back. It's Lily and Dandelion. Yeah. How about the epic? We didn't unbox it. If we get something good at the crown, I'll be excited, guys. So cool. I can't barely see it. This is fragile if this. I don't know what's happening. I can't. Can I borrow scissors? Or I might cut it. There you go. This is so hard.
Sige po, dyan na lang.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh my god. It's the tanghulo.
Wow.
Guys. Tanghulo. Epic again. Let's just see the epic. No.
That's okay. Again, magkanya ka lang.
Oh,
Ma. Walang.
guys, I think I just find the rarest one. The epic. Look, it's still hearts.
Ano pa?
Okay na.
We got this one. So let's just step it aside.
Tapos na.
Lastly, the crown. Sorry it's a long intro,
Right.
but let's just unbox.
Sige po, ako na. Okay lang.
Oh my god. Guys, I just find the rarest one. The crown. It's so epic. Legendary ones. Oh my gosh! It's them! The Danzilion and Lulu. This is what I get.
Lagyan mo na yan dito.
This is what I get.
Bibigyan.
This is what I get from the this is what I get from this blind bag. Is it cool, guys? How about you comment below?
Nabababa naman pala.
Okay, bye. For the next. See, guys, is it beautiful? Bye, guys. That's for today's video from unboxing this blind bag. Bye.